to my first YouTube video. I'm Zio. Today I'll be cooking Philly cheesesteaks. It's a simple recipe. I just decided to make this YouTube video because cooking is my hobby and it really makes me happy, so why not film it and help other people, you know, if they need to figure out some other meals to cook. Here's a great idea, you know, for all those working people who, you know, come home tired, you don't really want to do too much work. So this is a pretty simple recipe. So these are the ingredients you're gonna need. And of course you don't have to use these same ingredients. If you season your meat some other type of way, you can definitely do that. But this is what I use. So I use the Goya Sazon with the green cap. I use garlic powder, and then I use this one. I don't know, it's pretty good. I think so, at least. So yeah, but like I said, you can just use whatever seasonings you want for your meat. So then you'll need peppers, green peppers, whatever peppers you want. I use green ones. And then any onion, purple or white, whatever onions you want. And then cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want as well. You can use this one or Swiss. And then you're gonna need bread. I prefer in this bread because it just tastes so much better. And then this is the main one. So this is what I got at Bilo the other day. So I went to Bilo and in the supermarket Bilo here in South Carolina. I don't know if it's in other places, right? It's only here?
I don't know. I know it's only like in the South though.
I went to Bilo and I'm sure you can find this like at Walmart or something like that, but it's just the steak pieces. And they're already like thinly sliced. You can just put them to cook. They cook so fast. So that's why I say it's really convenient for anybody who just, you know, at work or is just too busy to cook, but you want to cook something real good. This is what you'll need. So they come in slices like that. And I only use 2 of them for one like sandwich. You can start off by cutting the vegetables. I already washed my hands, so don't be saying I didn't wash my hands. But I already washed my hands before this video, so you're all good. And then you just cut it in like smaller pieces. I don't know why I like to cut the end pieces, but I just do. And so you just cut them into like smaller pieces or bigger pieces, however you want it. I don't really like mine's too big, just because I don't like cutting into like a big old chunk of it. I'm not that much of a fan, but it gives a good flavor. So, and it's what it's usually in a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. And I'll just cut another one. Take off the seeds. There's my dog looking at me. Like, I'm pretty sure you didn't really like these peppers, but yeah, I don't know. I'm just cutting these, like I said, into small pieces, not too thick, you know. I decided to wake up real early today with my husband. We decided to make it like a goal of ours to wake up early because we go to sleep pretty late. We don't wake up till like what, 12, 11 sometimes.
Shoot, probably like 2. What you mean?
Sometimes 2, not even, because I'd be ready by then, but because I go to work. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm kind of tired, so I'm a little bit out of it. Anyways, that's all the pepper you're gonna need, and then you'll just cut an onion. I just cut it this way, and it comes on like little strings like that. And then you just cut. You should try and cut as evenly as possible. I mean, I know that's not always guaranteed, but just try to keep it like similar sizes. Alright, so that's done. And then we'll go over here, and then we'll turn it on like medium high kind of, and then you just take your meat. You won't need oil for this recipe because beef kind of already just releases its natural oils, so you don't really need to do that. I'm gonna put this in the trash. I'm gonna wash my hands really quick.
Is there enough for me?
Yeah, so?
You know I want some.
Yeah, I know. If you guys have any recommendations or anything like that that you want me to do, I'd be more than happy to do it. I'm not afraid to, you know, do things that I've never cooked before and stuff like that. So you just wait for this to kind of heat up a little bit until like it starts sizzling, because these cooks really fast. So you just wait for that. We woke up early today. We walked our dog Dyson because he needs to be walked all the time. He has so much energy. So we walked around the neighborhood. We checked the mail. It's kind of rainy out today, so I wish it was nicer out. It rained a lot down here, but it's way better than where I used to live in Connecticut.
Or in New Mexico, even.
And we lived in New Mexico for a little bit because he was in the Air Force, so we lived there for a little bit. So right now you can add your seasonings. I add a little bit of this. Some garlic powder. To your liking, of course, I don't know. I like mine seasoned.
Well seasoned.
Anyway. And then pepper. And a little bit of salt, like barely. Just wait for that to cook. So see how fast it cooks? So soon we can start adding our onions and our peppers. Oh, we can lower this to like the middle.
Medium. Yeah, I got you.
And then you can just add this. I like my vegetables a little bit crunchier. You can probably cook them before adding the meat. Cook them in a separate pan or something like that and put them all together. I like it to be a little bit like on the burnt side. I don't know if anybody can relate to that. I don't like eating like medium rare or rare stuff. Nothing like that. I don't like no pink in my stuff. So that should be almost done. See how quick that is? And then you can, I don't know, if you have kids, like it'll be a portion size. Like it should be enough for like 2 people.
A little baby portion.
Or 1 person, because we eat a lot in this house. So we try to, you know, make enough for us both. But yes, that is done. So I bought this bread at Bilo. It was like $1 something. It was like a really good deal. And I'll just do like right here. After this, you guys can toast it. I'm not gonna do that because I don't mind it being softer. And then you add your cheese. And you guys can toast it afterwards if you want, if you really want to. It tastes good either way. So, come here. And then the heat will, you know, melt the cheese. Put this in there with the cheese, then toast it, like in the oven or something. Or I have this air fryer too that you can. I use that for that too. And then there's this other thing that I like to put on my Philly cheesesteaks. It's wild style creamy chipotle kicker. It's good on everything. It's so good. So we'll just add this. It doesn't come out that pretty. Sorry. It doesn't come out that pretty, but it's so good. It adds like another type of flavor to it. Ooh. Sorry, it's so messy. It doesn't come out any other way. But yeah, that is my recipe. Well, not my recipe, I just recreated it. Philly cheesesteaks have been around since forever, but that is my like take on it. I hope this helps somebody out there. My cameraman's about to sneeze. But yeah, I hope this helps somebody, anybody who's really struggling and finding like any other ideas on what to cook for their family. Anybody who just, you know, works a lot and like comes home and doesn't really want to do like a lot of stuff. This is a simple meal you can do. You can try and find these. Of course, you can use regular beef if you want. That's not an issue. I just saw these the other day and I'm like, oh, let me just try them, and they're easy. So yeah, that is my first YouTube video. So if you like this video even a little bit, just give me a like. And if you have any suggestions on what I should do, any recipes you want me to recreate, let me know in the comments. And of course, if you really want to see some more, because I will be doing more videos, I do have like something else I want to cook this week that I want to show you guys. So keep a lookout on that. Other than that, I think that's it.